Welcome to Harvest Landing, one of D.R. Horton's newer communities in Brevard County. Now, Harvest Landing is located in Rockledge, Florida. They're gonna have 364 home sites within this community, 4 different floor plans ranging from sizes from anywhere from around 1,670 square feet to around 2,500 square feet. All of the homes in here are gonna have 2-car garages. You're gonna have a mixture of single-story and 2-story homes, and pricing is between $360,000 to around $435,000. As you can see, this community is nearing the finish line. So the estimated completion date for Harvest Landing is towards the end of 2024. Something that's really interesting about the neighborhood is there are a lot of people that don't realize that you can purchase new construction for $360,000, and that is why this community is thriving and doing so well. And something that I'm noticing a lot of communities moving towards is no mailboxes at the individual property. They use what's called a mail kiosk, which is where all the mailboxes are located in a centralized area. Now, other things about this community is in the future, they are working on a community pool and a playground. The streets seem a little bit wider than some of the other D.R. Horton communities in the county. We're seeing sidewalks, generally speaking, on both sides of the road. Solar-powered LED streetlights. That's pretty awesome. Tons of bodies of waters in here, which is one of the things that I am really intrigued about this community, because it's a little bit different than some of the other communities that D.R. Horton has done in the past. And the HOA fees here are $60 a month, which I'll just do that math for you really quickly. It's $720 per year. Can you guys check that, make sure I'm right on that?
That's correct.
Now, if this is a place that you're interested in, there's something you should know. Now, currently right now, if you work with D.R. Horton's lender, which is DHI Mortgage, they're offering a 4.99% interest rate for VA and FHA financing, 5.5% for conventional loans, and they're giving $10,000 towards closing costs. It doesn't get much better than that. We've talked about new construction in the past and why buyers tend to choose that. It's everything from the confidence in the construction or the worry-freeness. Is that even a word? The worry-freeness of not having to worry about the roof, AC, other things, because everything is brand new. Now, $360,000 is right around the median sales price in Brevard County, and there's not a lot of other places in Florida where you can move, build a new home for that price. So if you guys have any questions about this community, the building process, the location, or anything about real estate on the Space Coast, leave a comment on this video or shoot me an email to Shane at the Bergman Group. I'm happy to help.